Hi everyone, welcome to another video of ethical hacking tutorial series. Today you are gonna learn about VPA and VPA2 hacking. Let's go to our terminal. You see that I've connected my wireless interface to Kali Linux and mod is monitor mode. If you are wondering what's monitor mode, just check out our previous video about how to activate monitor mode and you'll get the theory behind this. So the first thing we need to do is writing error dump ng command to know which networks are around us. Error dump in our interface name. And now I'm going to give you more information to this command, like dash channel 1 dash BSS ID. That's the MAC address of the router. I have already copied this, just copy and paste. And dash right. It's for creating a file and storing the information that you take from the network into this. You can name this anything you want, and I'm gonna name this, for example, password 1, and our interface name, of course, at the end. So now we came to the most important part of VPA and VPA2 hacking. If you want to hack VPA or VPA2 network, you have to get a handshake. And you may ask, what's handshake? I dropped the link in the description that will teach you the theory behind handshake and you will get what is it. But I can say, as a short information, from a technical point of view, a handshake in wireless networks is the exchange of information between the access point and the client at the time the client connects to it. This information contains a variety of keys. The exchange takes place in several stages. To create a handshake, you need to organize the authentication attack against the network. Also, you may wonder what's the authentication attack. Just check out our previous video about the authentication attack. Okay, so write error play ng -ds. This time I'm going to give this little amount of the packets, for example 5 -a, the MAC address of the router, -c, the MAC address of the client connected to this network, that -c shows this, and of course our interface name at the end. Okay, let's start this, and you see that we captured the handshake, and we are gonna use this to crack the password of this Wi-Fi. Okay, now we are gonna need to create a word list. For creating word list, you need to predict a password of the network. Sometimes that's easy because you know the person, maybe that can be his name or something, his birth date, but mostly it's really hard to predict the characters of the password. This time I'm hacking my own Wi-Fi, that's why it will be easier for me to create a word list. You may create word list yourself. For example, you say you can put all the characters to crunch, but this will take really much amount of the space in your hard disk. That's why I advise you to use pre-made ready word list. You can find them on internet easily, and they take really little amount of the storage, and that's faster than creating it yourself. But this time I'm going to show you how to create a word list yourself. For this, you need to use crunch program. Crunch a minimum number of the characters. I will say 7. Maximum number of characters, I will say 8. And the characters that I predicted, this will be A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and all. You can name this file anything you want. I will name my word list with like word list 3. Just click into it. You see how much storage that will take. That's working. So you see, I have successfully created my own word list. Okay, to create the password of the network, we are going to use error crack ng. Sorry, error crack ng. Okay, just delete them. For here, we have to write the name of the file that we created using the write command. That's password1. This password 1 301.cap. That's the cap file. and then the name of the word list, which is word list 3 this time. Word list 3. So let's hit enter. You see that it's working, and it is checking all the possible combinations of the characters that we have included. So that will take long time. That's why be patient and wait for this. Finally, that found the key. The password of the network is ABB12345. Thank you everyone for watching. Don't forget to like the video. See you.